Hi guys, this is Jordan.
I'm Jared.
And we are JJ Cruise. We just got aboard Vision of the Seas for a 7-night Southern Caribbean adventure.
It's gonna be an adventure.
And Jared is going to take you on a tour of this amazing room.
Before we take you on that tour, please hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers here before the end of April, which is just around the corner here. So if you can hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well. That will notify you of any videos that we launch. And of course, you want to be in the know of all things cruising.
Yeah, and also join our Facebook community page, JJ Cruise community page.
Yes.
And thank you for everyone who has subscribed and watched our videos. We love you, and we really appreciate you. So here is a tour of our room.
Alright, we're on Vision of the Seas. This is deck 2, cabin number 573, so 2573, and let's see who's inside.
Hello.
Oh, it's you. I think I know you.
Surprise.
Alright, so I'm going to get all the way in because it's a little bit tight in the entryway, and then we'll turn around. So, first and foremost, light switches. Light is on the right hand side here. Turns on the main light switch, as you can see right there. And then we have the closet to the left. So on the closet, you do have this top shelf that's only supposed to be, I think, for them to use, the crew, your stateroom attendant. But it is a shelf, and you'll see later on there's not a lot of shelf space, so we might be using some of that as well. Alright, when it comes to hanging things, you can see that there are hangers here, plenty of hangers for a 7-night cruise like we have. However, there is no shelving in this closet. There are double racks here though, so we can hang stuff lower down by the life vests. And if you have 3 or 4 people in here, it looks like there's a ladder for the bunk bed that if they bring that down, you can use that for that. Alright, I'm gonna bring it around here. So, like I said, the entryway's a little bit tight, but on the right hand side are 2 hooks. 1, 2, with your breakfast menu on it in case you like to do that in the mornings. If we step on inside, the right hand side is the bathroom. We'll get to that a little bit later. On the left hand side is the mirror with the mirror lights here. To get those lights turned on, you go down here and press that switch here. And as you can see with the lights off, a little bit better view of that full mirror. 3 mirrors, so that's kind of cool. And they do flip out just like Jordan's showing here, so 2 of you can be looking, as well as shelves inside both of them. Perfect for sunglasses, suntan lotion, anything like that to store in there. On the left here, you're going to see there's an announcement speaker, so that's nice. If there's any announcements happening, they will come into the stateroom, as well as your temperature control, cooler to warmer. We of course love it as cool as can be. And your phone. So if you need to call anyone room to room, or if there's an emergency, you can call there. You're gonna see here as well, there's an announcement channel. You can turn that all the way up like we have it. Some ships, there's music playing when you have it all the way up. We haven't experienced that yet, but we just got on the ship, so that might come. But that's good to have it all the way up in case if there is any major announcement and you're in your stateroom. For the volts, you're going to see you have 2 of the American or US standard outlets and 2 of the European. Ice is available upon request. Just ask your stateroom attendant. Now for down here, there are 3 drawers. So one right here with your hair dryer, as well as a tissue box there. 2 more. Oh, fairly good size, right?
Pretty deep.
Yeah, those are pretty good size. I'm gonna turn this on just for a little bit more light here.
And on the other side, actually bigger.
Oh, these are huge. Oh, that's great. Oh, this is actually really good. Yeah, nice and deep, nice and wide. You have your chair right here and a trash can below. Does this pull out? Oh, it does. So there are your menus and anything else. The spa, it looks like Vitality Spa's in here. A lot of different things to look into. All right. Ooh, and then here, up here is where your safe is. Now, Doesn't open up very wide, but you do have your safe as well as 2 more shelves here. Not sure. Oh, and a shelf underneath. Perfect. So of course you can put anything that any valuables inside your safe. We recommend that, even though we've never had a problem with a stateroom attendant, and we don't think you should expect a problem. Now our beds are usually together, but you can see here they don't have them together yet. So this is what it looked like for 2 separate beds. You do have the nightstand with 2 drawers there. They're actually pretty good sized drawers. So if you want to keep, you know, underwear or socks or anything like that, you can actually keep it in your nightstand. Now up here you see there are 2 lights. One on the left, one on the right, and a switch right here for your main light switch. So that turns all this off. It's almost like mood lighting now. Switch it one more time and you can see all of them come back on. For the switch for these lights, it's actually underneath the light to turn it off and back on. You do have this small rack right up here. Not actually sure what you put up there, but you can put stuff there. All right. Oh, for under the beds, I know this is a common question. Just to show you kind of what's down here, there's plenty of space for a smaller suitcase. The big thing is height. So if you have too large of a suitcase, it might be tough to get under, but honestly, we think we can expect at least 2 of our bigger suitcases to get under here.
And the side tables.
Yes, and those side tables, which are the 2 drawers we talked about a little bit earlier. Pretty good depth here. Just show you kind of what to expect here. Really good depth with all the drawers here. All right, let's come to this time. The bathroom. Oh, there is a full-length mirror.
And there's a couch and a side table.
And a couch and side table. Nothing that you can lay on for a couch, but good enough here. And some artwork. Oh, does this light actually turn on too? Oh, I think that's with the main switch. All right, for your bathroom, you have 4 hooks. That's actually really nice here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for swim trunks, towels, anything you want to dry in the bathroom. As we come inside here, you're gonna notice right away there is an actual shower curtain, not a shower door like you see on some of the newer ships here. You have your toilet, which you have the flush button right behind, just like normal. You have your rack, 2 racks full of towels here. And when we step inside here, you're gonna see with the sink, there is a place for a tissue box. There's a small countertop next to the sink, nothing too big, so probably just to keep your soap and maybe a hand towel on. You have your full mirror, both sides, so left and right. Lots of mirrors in here. And you have, for razors, you do have a couple of outlets here. So if you bring any of those, there is an outlet for this bathroom. Now, for the shelves, there's 1, 2, 3, and then 4 with your cups, your glasses here for drinks. You do have a very small but very deep drawer. And then you have 1, I don't know what that could be used for, but it's very tall but very shallow. A kind of cabinet. Now your toilet paper is kind of in a weird place. It's right underneath the sink here with a towel and a bucket for anything, as well as your trash can. Obviously only toilet paper should go inside the toilet, so this is for anything else. Now the shower. So if you've been on Royal Caribbean, it's a very standard shower for their older ships here. As you can see here, there is on the top hand side a line that you can pull out to hang stuff on. Just hook it on the other side and you can do that. Now for the shower itself, there is hair and body wash 2-in-1, very normal for Royal Caribbean. If you want your own, you should bring your own shampoo or something separate if you want them to be separate. This moves up, so we're obviously a little bit taller. We will go ahead and have it at a taller height here. Now actually looking at it, Jordan, could you come in and see height wise? Jordan is 6'2" or 3, depending on the day. All right, so this is gonna be tough.
This will be a little tough, but It does. I think it does. It should adjust. Yeah.
It adjusts. It's going to be very close to the top of the head. So if you're a taller cruiser, you might have a little bit of trouble here, but it does adjust to whatever you like, and you can always take it off.
Yeah, take it out.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect demo. All right, and then just for the last few parts here, you do have a handrail, and you do have a shelf here for your soap or anything else you bring. Temperature control is on the right-hand side right here. Red for hot, blue for cold, and then you have your pressure volume right in the front. So with that, Jordan, what are your initial thoughts?
I think that it is a pretty good sized room, actually. I think that it's pretty big. I think the only ship we've been on older than this is Majesty, and that room was probably half the size. And we had an ocean view on that room. Unfortunately, we didn't get a video of it, but for being an older ship, I think it's a really nice big room. I wish there was more shelves in the closet for shoes, but other than that, there's plenty of storage. I mean, there's tons of drawers. I don't think we're gonna have an issue. We can always throw shoes up there on top as well. So yeah, good room, ready for a good cruise.
Perfect. With that, JJ Cruise signing off. Bye.
Bye.